Hello, landlords. I'm going to show you 3 pro tips that will help you reduce vacancy in your rentals. Let's get started. I'm James White, Principal Broker of Blue Roof Property Management, here to bring you pro tips so you can run a successful rental business. A vacant rental property in Oregon is a financial drain that costs landlords thousands of dollars in lost income and ongoing maintenance fees every single month. With rising property taxes and strict state housing laws, maintaining a consistent cash flow is essential for the long-term survival of your real estate investment. I've pulled together this information to help you understand the most effective strategies for keeping your units occupied. By following these practical steps, you can stabilize your investment and ensure your rental remains a profitable asset in the Oregon market. Now for your 3 pro tips to reduce vacancy. 1. Vacancy prevention starts with proactive tenant and property management. 2. Price strategically within Oregon's rent control environment and benchmark against comparable local listings. 3. Reduce turnover through swift maintenance and communication responses. Following these few pro tips will help to reduce the time your rental property is vacant. There is significant detail available about this topic on our website. Simply search on our blog page for the topic, How to Minimize Vacancy Rates. If you would like more detail or have other questions, please get in touch with me. Thank you very much for watching.